Let's be honest. Who hasn't dreamed of being a rock star, standing in the spotlight, guitar in hand, feeling the energy of the crowd? Even if that crowd is just your family or your dog. For so many of us, the dream starts right at home, in the comfort of our own living rooms. There's something magical about jamming out in your living room, letting loose and imagining you're on stage at a sold-out concert. But let's face it, learning guitar can feel overwhelming, especially when you're just starting out and every chord seems impossible. Where do you even start? With so many options and confusing advice online, it's easy to get lost before you even play your first note. Traditional lessons can be intimidating, with strict teachers and pressure to perform perfectly right away. That's why, for many, the dream often gets shelved, and the guitar ends up gathering dust in the corner. But what if learning guitar was actually fun from day one? What if you could skip the frustration and jump right into making music? Imagine playing your favorite songs right away, feeling that rush of accomplishment as your family cheers you on. Technology has changed everything. Why not music education? Now your TV can be your personal music coach, guiding you step by step. Your TV is already the heart of your home, where everyone gathers to relax, laugh, and connect. So why not use it to bring music into your life, making learning guitar a part of your family's daily routine? Now, learning guitar isn't a solo mission tucked away in a bedroom. It's something you can share with friends and family, right in your living room. It's a shared living room experience, full of laughter, encouragement, and real progress. The rockstar dream is moving from dusty lesson books to the biggest screen in your house, making learning more interactive and engaging than ever. This is about making music accessible, social, and exciting for everyone, no matter your age or experience. So get ready. Your living room is about to get loud, lively, and filled with the sound of dreams coming true. So, who could make learning guitar on your TV a reality? Enter Samsung and Fender. Samsung, the king of home entertainment, brings stunning TVs and smart tech to your living room. Fender, the legendary guitar maker, has inspired generations of musicians. Together, they're redefining how we learn music at home. At CES, they unveiled a partnership. Learn to play a real Fender guitar right through your Samsung TV. It's more than just an app. It's a new way to connect, create, and learn together. Samsung turns your TV into a creative hub. Fender brings the music expertise. This collaboration makes learning guitar accessible and fun for everyone. It's about bringing people together, making music a family affair. This is innovation that rocks. So what is Fender Play? If you've ever dreamed of learning guitar but didn't know where to start, this is your answer. It's your personal guitar teacher, right on your Samsung TV. No need to schedule lessons or leave your living room. Fender Play covers acoustic, electric, bass, and even ukulele, so everyone can join in. Whether you're a total beginner or picking up a new instrument, there's something for every skill level and style. The magic? You learn by playing real songs, not just boring exercises. Imagine strumming along to your favorite tunes from day one. Lessons are short, engaging videos, perfect for the big screen. Each one is designed to fit into your busy life, so you can learn at your own pace. Multiple camera angles and close-ups make it easy to follow along. You'll see exactly where to place your fingers and how to strum each chord. Friendly instructors break everything down step by step. They're encouraging, approachable, and make learning feel like hanging out with a friend. You can pause, rewind, and learn at your own pace. Missed a chord? Just go back and try again. No pressure, no rush. The app creates a personalized learning path, tracking your progress and suggesting what's next. It's like having a roadmap for your musical journey. You'll build skills gradually, playing actual music from the start. Each lesson builds on the last, so you're always moving forward. It's designed to keep you motivated and feeling accomplished. You'll earn achievements and see your progress every step of the way. Before you know it, you'll have a library of songs under your belt. You'll be able to play for friends, family, or just for yourself. Fender Play makes learning guitar less scary and a lot more fun. It's about enjoying the process, not just reaching the end goal. It's about making music accessible, not intimidating. Anyone can pick up an instrument and start making music, no matter their age or experience. You're not just learning chords, you're making music from day one. Every lesson is a step closer to playing the songs you love. That's the Fender Play difference. It's learning made simple, fun, and truly rewarding, right from your living room. Here's where it gets really fun: jam mode. Once you've learned a few basics, jam mode lets you play along with real backing tracks. Your living room transforms into a concert stage, with you as the lead guitarist. The immersive backgrounds and full band sound make it feel like a real performance. Jam mode helps you develop timing and confidence, playing in sync with a virtual band. The tracks match your skill level, reinforcing what you've just learned. It's not just practice, it's performing. Jam mode bridges the gap between learning and rocking out. It's the reward for your hard work and the motivation to keep going. Even beginners can feel like rock stars. This is what makes the experience unforgettable. The best part? Fender Play on TV turns learning guitar into a family event. The big screen brings everyone together. No more crowding around tiny devices. Parents and kids can learn side by side, making music and memories. It's quality time, not just practice time. Friends can join in too. Host a learn to play night instead of game night. The step-by-step lessons are perfect for groups, and jam mode lets everyone take a turn in the spotlight. It's a new, creative way to connect and have fun. Learning together builds encouragement and a little friendly competition. The TV becomes a hub for creativity and collaboration. It's about more than just music. It's about connection. Your living room becomes the stage for your family's soundtrack. That's the real magic. Ready to start? Here's how to get Fender Play on your TV. The app launches first on Samsung's new 2026 smart TVs. Ready to go right out of the box. Not upgrading? Good news. Select older models will get the app via a software update. Just update your TV, and Fender Play appears in your app library. Details on compatible models are coming soon, so stay tuned. Samsung's commitment to updating older TVs means more people can join in. Whether you're buying new or updating old, your living room music school is just a click away. Get those fingers ready. So, what does this all mean for you and your family? The way we experience music is changing faster than ever before. And it's happening right in our own homes. The dream of playing music is now within reach for everyone, no matter your age or skill level. You don't need to sign up for expensive lessons or travel to a music school. Everything you need is right at your fingertips. Samsung and Fender are breaking down barriers. No more fear, no more boring lessons. Learning music is becoming something you can do at your own pace, in your own space, and with the people you love. Fun, song-based learning and jam mode make music education exciting and accessible. You can play along with your favorite songs, experiment with new sounds, and see your progress in real time. Expect a mix of free and paid content so you can try before you commit. There's something for everyone, whether you're just starting out or looking to master advanced techniques. This could inspire a whole new generation to pick up their guitars and play. Imagine the excitement of discovering music for the first time, right in your living room. It's about creativity, connection, and lifelong passion. Families and friends can bond over music, creating memories that last a lifetime. Technology is making music more personal and social than ever. Share your progress, join virtual jam sessions, and connect with musicians around the world. all from your living room. Your TV isn't just for watching, it's for creating. It's a gateway to a world of musical possibilities where you control the experience. The future of music is right in your living room. With just a remote and a guitar, you can unlock your inner musician and start your own musical journey. Get ready for more family bands, more creativity, and a lot more fun. The living room is becoming the new stage for music lovers everywhere. Now press play and let the music begin. Your next big musical adventure is just a click away.